Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Interactive Brokers platform for day trading. First, you'll need to open an account and fund it, typically with a minimum deposit of $2,000 for a margin account. Next, familiarize yourself with the Trader Workstation, or TWS, interface. It might seem complex initially, but we'll break down its essential components. Finally, configure your trading preferences, including order types and risk management settings, to align with your day trading strategy. Once you're set up, dive into the powerful charting tools available on TWS. These are crucial for technical analysis and identifying trading opportunities. You'll learn to place different order types, such as limit orders to control your entry and exit prices, and stop orders to manage potential losses. We'll also cover how to use hotkeys for rapid order execution, which is vital for day trading speed. Effective risk management is paramount in day trading. We'll discuss setting stop-loss levels and position sizing to protect your capital. Developing a consistent trading strategy, whether it's scalping or momentum trading, is key to long-term success. Interactive Brokers provides real-time market data and news feeds, which are essential for making informed decisions and reacting quickly to market changes. Beyond the basics, Interactive Brokers offers advanced features like options trading, futures, and even API access for automated strategies. Regularly reviewing your performance reports within the platform helps you identify strengths and weaknesses in your trading approach. Remember to stay hydrated throughout your trading day. Check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Continuous learning and adapting are crucial for thriving in the dynamic world of day trading.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.